Welcome to another PhoneSavvy.com application review. Today we'll be reviewing Key Keyboard. The application looks like this on your Android-powered device. And make sure you go to the Play Store and search for this application. It's KII Keyboard. And this is a whole new keyboard for your Android phone. When you download the application, make sure you set it as your default keyboard in language and input. You're going to see keyboard listed. Just go ahead and check that. And then we're going to hit the settings option off on the right. They'll also walk you through this when you first download the application. But then once you have it set as your default keyboard, you can go ahead and close it and then bring up any type of your messaging application or any email apps that you may have. You'll see this new keyboard. I've already customized mine a little bit, and how you do that is from the options right here in the top left corner of the keyboard. This will bring you to all the options that you can modify for this keyboard, such as color and fonts and theme and background, which are going to be probably the two most popular. I just have it set as the key default, but you can give that a whole new look if you want. Let's say if I select stone, I can just go ahead and hit apply and hit OK. Now if I go back, it will give me a whole new theme for my background. Let's go back to this and change color and fonts. This will allow us to change the text color, predictive text color, and alternative color for the symbols. So if we go here, if we don't want green, we can go ahead and hit this. It'll change that, or you can drag this right or go up with this, and you can find the color that you want, then hit OK. And now if we go back, we'll see that we have a different color for our keys. And one of the big features about this application that I really like is in the bottom left corner, if you touch and hold the 1, 2, 3 button, it will bring up this little list of options. You can then move your finger and select. You can put in faces. You can move over here to bring up the arrow pad, and then you can go left and right with your cursor, or you can copy, cut, and paste using this option right here. First you'll have to select it and then drag across the whatever you type. I also enabled swipe. So let's go back here and touch and hold this. Now if I go to the arrows, I can hit select and then just use the arrows to slide over. I can hit copy, and let's say I cut that and I can just repaste it, and then it puts it back up. So it's a nice little option to have. If we go back to here, we can also put in little symbols. They have a whole big list of symbols that you can put in. And let's touch and hold this again and see what else we have. We have our faces screen up at the top left. So you can put in some fun faces. And whenever you're done, just hit the ABC in the bottom left to get back to your keyboard, and then you can begin typing again. And all of your setting changes, like I said, are done in here. They have different fonts you can have, the general settings, language and dictionaries, a bunch of different languages that they have, and gestures and input. So you're going to go through this. Make sure you customize your keyboard to the best that you like. They have a lot of options. It's impossible to go through all of them, but you can really give your keyboard a whole new look and have some fun with it with these extra features that they have that you don't get from your stock keyboard. So I suggest this as a new app for your phone. That is Key Keyboard. Make sure you download that, and also visit PhoneSavvy.com to find more great applications like this that you can get on your Android smartphone.